You're only out here 'cause it's dinner time again.